Hey there, fellow seekers of adventure and knowledge. Today, I am thrilled to take you on a virtual journey to one of the most mystical cities in the world, Varanasi, also known as Kashi or Benares. Brace yourselves, as we dive into the heart of spirituality, culture, and history in this captivating city. As I ventured into the labyrinthine alleys of Varanasi, the first thing that mesmerized me was the Ganges River. This sacred river, believed to have divine powers, flows right through the city. Here, people come from all corners of the world to immerse themselves in its holy waters and cleanse their souls. Varanasi boasts an incredible history that stretches back thousands of years. It is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, dating back to the 11th century BC. Ancient scriptures even mention Varanasi as the city of light and the abode of Lord Shiva, which adds to its spiritual significance. Varanasi is a melting pot of various religions and spiritual beliefs. It is considered an important pilgrimage site for Hindus. The riverside ghats, a series of steps leading down to the Ganges, are a hub of spiritual practices. Devotees perform rituals, offer prayers, and engage in meditation and yoga, seeking salvation and enlightenment. Be prepared for a sensory overload as we explore some of Varanasi's majestic ghats. Dashashwamedh Ghat, the main ghat, is a sight to behold during the grand Ganga Aarti ceremony. The air fills with the rhythmic chants, the smell of incense, and the gleam of oil lamps, creating an unforgettable atmosphere. Apart from its spiritual allure, Varanasi has so much more to offer. The city is a treasure trove of ancient temples, crumbling palaces, and vibrant markets. Narrow alleys lead to secret spots like the Vishwanath Temple, known for its architectural splendor and religious significance to Hindus. Local markets like the bustling Vishwanath Gali exude energy and charm. Here, you can indulge in mouth-watering street food such as kacharis, lassi, and the famous Banarasi pan. Don't forget to experience the magic of Banarasi silk, renowned worldwide for its fine craftsmanship. One of the most ethereal experiences in Varanasi is witnessing the sunrise from a boat on the Ganges River. As the sun emerges on the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold, the ghats come alive with locals performing their morning rituals and prayers. This tranquil moment fills your heart with peace and harmony. Varanasi is a city that stirs the soul, offering a unique blend of spirituality, history, and cultural richness. It opens doors to self-discovery and encourages us to embrace diversity and ancient wisdom. Whether you dream of exploring the spiritual side of life, immersing yourself in vibrant traditions, or simply pursuing new adventures, Varanasi is a destination you must experience at least once in your lifetime. As the sun sets over Varanasi, painting the sky in a mesmerizing display of colors, I encourage you to join me in unlocking the secrets and spirituality of this captivating city. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on our next exciting adventure. And, as always, remember to share this video with fellow seekers of the extraordinary. Happy exploring!